Okay, assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we just try to make a group discussion, and it's an outdoor class. As we just sitting here in the lake of RDA Park, as you see that it was the previous name of that park was it was Bhadra Park at all. Fine. So it is situated in Podda Awashik Rajshahi, and there are so many students. Just they are just try to describe English and they try to learn English at all. So guys, are you ready, everyone? Again, sir, are you ready? Yes, sir. Fine. So here is a man. He will say something about the park, what he has already seen here today. So let's go to him.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Nazmul Islam, and I describe this park also. At first time I'm here to rebuild this park. It's called RDA Park, and its previous name was Bhadra Park, and it stand in Bhadra residential area. And I think it's so much better now, and it have also very nice places, and it made so soon. And beside of this, it's a mosque. If anyone can pray your Asr prayer, you can go there.
Okay, so what is the most interesting part of that park from your point of view?
I think it have most interesting part is this month. It's called Mukta Mons, and look like that type of mons in Idgah Mart in Rajshahi.
Okay.
And but it's better than of that. And it have a large pond. You can see here large pond, and it also a child sports garden and shops and mini rail stations, rail line. Uh, so it's very enjoyable for us. But I think uh, it have
Overall, okay, overall, how many marks will you like mark actually for under 100? How many marks?
it's 50 to 60.
50 to 60.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Give a big hands for him, everybody. Give a big hands. Okay, come on, come on.